Achieving optimal blood sugar control with Glucoberry, a natural remedy. Learn how Glucoberry, a natural dietary supplement, can assist you in maintaining and stabilizing healthy blood sugar levels. Dive into the advantages of this groundbreaking solution in this video. The importance of blood sugar regulation. Blood sugar, also known as blood glucose, is a vital energy source transported by the bloodstream to nourish all the cells in our bodies. However, the maintenance of steady blood sugar levels is imperative for overall well-being. Fluctuations in blood sugar, whether they surge or plummet suddenly, can result in a multitude of challenges, including fatigue, mood swings, insatiable hunger, and potential long-term health complications. Unlocking the potential of Glucoberry. Glucoberry represents a cutting-edge dietary supplement meticulously crafted to assist in naturally stabilizing blood sugar levels. Formulated with a blend of carefully selected herbal components, Glucoberry adopts a holistic approach to blood sugar management. Let's delve into some of the primary advantages that Glucoberry brings to the table. Blood sugar regulation. Glucoberry's paramount benefit lies in its capacity to regulate blood sugar levels effectively. The components within Glucoberry work synergistically to decelerate the absorption of glucose from consumed food, thereby averting abrupt spikes in post-meal blood sugar levels. Enhanced insulin sensitivity. Glucoberry incorporates compounds associated with heightened insulin sensitivity. This improved sensitivity translates to cells responding more efficiently to insulin, the hormone responsible for blood sugar regulation. Enhanced insulin sensitivity contributes to the maintenance of stable blood sugar levels. Antioxidant fortification. Several elements found in Glucoberry possess potent antioxidant properties. These antioxidants aid in combating oxidative stress and inflammation, frequently associated with blood sugar imbalances. By mitigating oxidative stress, Glucoberry actively promotes overall metabolic health. Sustained energy levels. The equilibrium of blood sugar levels plays a pivotal role in sustaining energy levels throughout the day. Glucoberry's unique formulation is expertly designed to foster the steady release of energy by preventing rapid fluctuations in blood sugar levels. Natural ingredients. A standout feature of Glucoberry is its exclusive use of natural ingredients. Ranging from time-honored herbs to contemporary plant extracts, each constituent is handpicked for its potential to contribute to healthier blood sugar levels. Incorporating Glucoberry into your routine. Integrating Glucoberry into your daily regimen is a straightforward and convenient means of prioritizing your blood sugar health. However, it is essential to bear in mind that supplements yield optimal results when accompanied by a well-balanced diet and an active lifestyle. We strongly recommend consulting with a healthcare professional before introducing any new supplement into your routine, particularly if you have pre-existing health conditions or are currently taking medications. In an era marked by the increasing prevalence of health challenges, proactive measures to safeguard our well-being are indispensable. Glucoberry represents a natural and all-encompassing approach to nurturing and preserving healthy blood sugar levels, rendering it a highly appealing choice for individuals striving to sustain equilibrium in their lives. Remember, the consistent dedication to a balanced lifestyle, coupled with products like Glucoberry, sets the stage for a healthier and more vibrant version of yourself. Take the initial stride toward optimal blood sugar management with Glucoberry and experience the rewards of natural, enduring well-being. Your body will express its gratitude for the commitment.